What's up, fellas? It's your boy Frankie M. Back again with another video, guys. Check it out. Today I got this JBL Extreme 2. This is the second generation from the Extreme. It's brand new, guys. Picked this up from Target. I actually got it on sale. Retail price, I believe it's $299.99 plus tax. This is I don't know if it's currently on through all Targets, but at the Target that I shop at, I picked this up for $219. So let's open it up, guys. Got the trusty knife here. Hopefully I don't cut my finger off. Alright, let's check this out. Check it out. If you guys know JBL products, they always have a nice presentation to all their stuff, or at least that's what I've seen. So there it is. Ooh, it's gonna be kind of hard. Set that aside. Set that aside. Oh, here we go. Boom. Nicely packaged. I'll set this aside. Let's see what's in the box. Box got one little box in here. How do we open this up? I believe this is a charger. Actually, no. Oh, nice. This is the strap that it comes with. Check it out, guys. Got the nice strap. You strap it up. Alright, set this aside. Okay, what else is in the box? Oh, cool. Alright, here we go. Here's the charger. Actually, a two-part charger. So here's the one part. Set that aside. And then there's another smaller box in here. Let's just pull this whole thing out. Alright, let's check it out. That's it. Nothing else in there. Oops. So there is the manual. I'm not gonna go through all this, guys. It's a pretty thick manual. And that's the other end of the power cord. Let's open this up real quick. Show you guys what it looks like. Boom. So we'll throw all those back in there. We don't need none of that. Throw that in there. Set that aside. Boom. So got the power cord. And this is the big boy right here. So this thing's pretty heavy, guys. So you guys can see it's got the little loops, hook and loop, I should say, for that strap. There we go. You guys can see that it's got the JBL logo on there, and these are little metal hooks. We'll set that like that. There you go, guys. I'm not gonna turn this on, guys, because I'm currently using my iPhone to record, so I'm not gonna pair this up right now. Plus, you guys know about copyright music. I won't be able to do anything with it unless I find me some copyright free music. But let's check out the back. Extreme 2. It's got your auxiliary micro USB, and then I believe that's the charging port. So this, you can charge your phone off of this, so that would be the USB port right there. And this, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this holds a 15-hour battery charge. You know, on normal use, not max volume, just regular. You know, about 50% volume. I know max volume is about anywhere from 7 to 10 hours, so it's still pretty good, guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it is pretty heavy, guys. I'll tell you that. You know, check it out again. Got the little logo. Got the JBL logo on this side. Got your Bluetooth, your volume up and down, power button. I believe that's the sync button for the JBL app, I believe. And play, pause, I should say. So that's pretty much it, guys. You know, quick video. I want to show you guys a little unboxing of the new JBL XTREME 2. Like I said, I'll put all the info in the description, you know, and if you guys are interested in one of these, go pick one up. You know, heard a lot of great reviews on this, so we'll see. I'll find out, let you guys know later on. Maybe I'll make another video on this, go from there. So as always, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.